What's up everybody, it's cold. We are in UK.
Milton Keynes.
Minus 17 degrees at least it feels like.
Home of the F1 team.
Home of the championship F1 team.
Oh yes.
Again, so it's party time. Home run, so it's a show run pretty much at home. We're part of it. It's so cold, it feels like minus 20 degrees. I'm dying. But sun is coming up, engine's warming up. Let's go.
We're here at the Showrun, and as you can see, we only brought one M4 and our old E30. The other M4 is at the Essen Motor Show right now at the M Performance booth, and that's why we brought our old cars. We gave them a quick overhaul to make it work properly, and now we can have a direct comparison between a new car and an old car. And I think this will outperform the old E30 by quite a bit. But it sounds awesome and I'm quite happy to see it running again.
So, first run done. We have some good news.
Cars in one piece, both of them.
Yes.
Sort of. No touching of walls, nothing. Although it was super sketchy, no grip whatsoever, and even more narrow than we thought. But
unfortunately, once I started drifting, E30 cut it out on me. So just didn't respond to throttle, even died completely, restarted, died completely. So I had to go out. The guys are working on it. Hopefully they find something. And for the next one, we hope to be really good. Unfortunately, the E30 decided to cut out again, and yeah, the lock is already pulled off. And if we look here, top line, squiggly line, the green one, like the top pieces are around 6,700 RPM, which is the normal rev limiter of the E30. And then coming here, and you all of a sudden see spikes over 20,000 RPM. This is the highest revving V8 ever. No, actually it's interference. So we picked up a signal here. You can also see the trigger arrows building up. Oh, just shut it down. The yellow line down here. Then I had to shut it down, the car, restart it. It ran again until we got another interference here. Trigger arrows building up. Car completely shut down, as you can see here, flatlining. So it was quite frustrating for me, because like I so enjoyed being back in the E30, haven't been there for such a long time, and after the first run it felt somewhat good again. Steering wheel is a little bit different position, lever, all that, but I felt at home after quite a while. But then those trigger errors happened, and I think it has to do with all the media that is out there. those trigger errors happened, and I think, yeah, it has to do with all the media that is out there. This was a bit of a bummer for me. Still, I made the engine at least rev, made some noise, the people were happy, I was waving at the crowd. Yeah, but I think Joe killed it in the M4. He did make some smoke in these tricky conditions, and yeah, he came back really hot. Now the rest of the guys will have their second run, so also Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, they will go out for their final lap. Is over. We had a blast here. We also had some small issues. Conditions were very tricky, but yeah, everything else worked great. No one crashed. Everything is still in one piece. No one got hurt. That's the most important. So yeah, we enjoy the atmosphere here and the evening, and I would say see you next time.